Hi, I'm Jimmy from Mousehot Games, and this week I've been working on a new console for Logic World. At any point in the game, you can open it by pressing the tilde key, the one just below Escape. Here we can see a log of messages informing us of what's been going on in the game. We can also enter commands using this box here. For instance, if we enter the command help, we can see this nice list of all the commands currently in the game. To be clear, the console is not something that most people will be using. It's a tool to help us developers make the game, to help mod developers make their mods, and of course for power users to do whatever they want to. Logic World is the kind of game that is going to attract a lot of power users, so I want our power user tools to be really good. On that note, let's take a look at some of the features this console has. First, you can press this button to toggle timestamps depending on whether you need that information or not. Next, we have a search filter, which we can use to find messages we're looking for. If this lock button is on, the search will stay, but if it's off, the search resets as soon as the console closes. These buttons over here use the search to filter to specific message types. I won't go over what each different type is, but it can be useful when there's a specific type of message you're looking for. Like most menus in Logic World, the console is configurable, so I can hit this gear button to adjust the size, scale, and position to whatever I please. Now on to features of the messages themselves. Each message, if you hover over it, has a copy button to let you quickly copy that message to your clipboard. I can click the button on the help message, bring up a text editor, and paste it all. Finally, messages of the debug, warning, error, and exception types have stack traces, which you can expand and collapse from within the console using this button here. Stack traces are basically a map of where in the code that message came from, which is super useful when you're trying to figure out a bug. As development continues, we'll be adding more and more commands to the game. When we release this October, I won't be surprised if we have over 1,000 commands. If there's a command you would like to see in Logic World, let me know in the comments.